Hey guys, welcome to another episode of HTML with Screen Readers. In this series, we are learning HTML with our favorite screen reader NVDA. Friends, before starting today's episode, I have some words to say to you. Guys, we are not getting support from you for this series. Even the videos of this series does not get 100 views. Friends, recording a video, editing a video, uploading a video, total production process is a complex process, a time taking process, time consuming process. And after uploading a video, we at least expect to some views and some support from you guys. But you are not doing this. So even if you are not liking this series, so you can write in the chat box, in the comment section, that we are not liking the videos, please stop this. So if you don't want the series, we will stop it. See, we want to help you to learn new things, learn something new, try something new, but you don't want. I don't know how many episodes we can continue if we are not getting enough support from you guys. So we may stop producing videos like this. Okay guys, it's enough talk. I know that you will support, and today in this episode we will be discussing about how to insert image to your project. Images is a vital part in your web development. Image helps your websites to make your websites more visible to the users without print disabilities, because they love to watch videos or images. So image also explains, like you need to use related images, relevant images based on your website content. Let's suppose you are designing a website of educational website, educational portal. So you have to use relevant images. You can use images from pixabay.com, or you can create using any AI tool, and you can use this. So let us learn how you can insert the image. To insert the image, we need to use img tag. So before inserting the image, let me clear you one thing. Here you need to keep your image file within the same folder where you have your HTML file. If your image is in the different folder, you need to enter the complete path. So where the path will be entered, I will tell you later. Okay. Another important thing is, if your image is a subfolder within the parent folder, you can use /sign, and if you want to go back, you can use /sign. Okay, this is the part of file paths. So now, so this is a small template, HTML template, and in the body I have in the body. Now let's add one image. So before adding the image, let me copy the file name of the image.
HTML index.template.autumn.jp autumn.
So I have one nature image, which is the image of an autumn. Okay. So here I want to add my this image to this HTML. So the tag is _img
greater greater.
So before greater, we should use some attributes.
Space.
So I already told you that our attribute helps to describe the HTML elements. So here first attribute is source. We need to tell the source where our image file is. So to tell the source, we use src attribute. So type src equals within quotation, enter the file name or the complete URL.
Quote G greater quote.
Remember, your file name should be same, otherwise it will not work properly. The image will not properly visible. Now this is how we can easily add the image.
Space.
Next, if you want to add the title of the image, the title can be shown to the user when user move his or her mouse over the image. Use title attribute. Title equals to
title quote
autumn. So I'm just writing autumn.
autumn quote space.
Okay. Next, we can have some other attributes like width and height. We can set width, we can set height in px format. Px means pixels format. So I am setting width of 500 px and height auto. Auto is also another value of the height attribute. Okay, width does not have the auto, but height has the auto attribute. So I'm using
dot DTH width quote equals greater num lock on caret great quote equals quote quote 500 px.
okay, 500 px.
Greater quote great space greater.
And height?
AEJT height equal quote.
Okay, auto I'm setting.
Auto quote greater.
So these are some attributes which you can use with the source attribute. Now I have successfully added the image. Let's run this code and see.
A8 index autumn.j end template.h.
So I'm running this.
HTML project heading level 1 images.
Okay, images. Now I'm pressing down arrow. Listen.
Graphic autumn.
So I have added the title, so that's why this title is announced by the screen reader. So just remove this title.
Template carriage grade auto equals height quote 5 width quote autumn equals title equal autumn select quote space quote.
And now let's check this.
H heading unlabeled graphic to get missing unlabeled graphic to.
Now it is unlabeled. Now even if you are not using title, if you don't want to use a title, then image is not able to read by the screen reader user. So for that we need to add the alternative text. To add the alternative text we use alt attribute.
Template.h.
So I have come back to this code, and at the end of this line I'll just add
caret greater quote great space greater
alt equals within quotation we write a short description of that image.
Quote AUTOMN autumn quote.
Do not write the graphic or picture because graphic is already said by the screen reader user. The another use of this alt text is if anyhow the user's browser is unable to load this image, this text will be visible. So you must use the alt text along with the title if possible, and it is very useful for responsive design also. Also this alt text helps the search engine to index your website easily. Now let's come back to this page and now see.
Graphic autumn.
So here if I want to write another anything description or something like this, I can easily write this.
Template.
So this is how we can easily add or insert image in our HTML page, and this is how we can add width, height and some other elements using HTML. So this is for the day. I hope you like this video. If you find this content useful, like the video, share the video, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye. Thank you for watching.